Hey guys, my name is Adewoye. I am a freshman at UGA and I am going to be reading Flashing Fire Engines by Tony Mitton and Ant Parker. Let's get into it. Big, bold fire engines, waiting day and night, ready for a rescue or a blazing fire to fight. As soon as there's a fire alarm, the engine starts to roar. The firefighters jump aboard, it rumbles out the door. Watch the engine speeding on its daring dash. Hear its siren screaming, see its bright lights flash. In helmets, fireproof pants and jackets, boots so big and strong, the crew are dressed and ready as the engine zooms along. When the engine finds the fire, it quickly pulls up near. The crew jumps out, unrolls the hose, and gets out all the gear. The hose points up its nozzle and shoots a jet of spray. It squirts right at the blazing flames and sizzles them away. The water tank is empty soon, so where can more be found? The engine's pump can pull it up from the pipes below the ground. The fire is hot and roaring and makes a lot of smoke. The firefighters put on masks, otherwise they choke. The ladder rises upwards, it reaches for the sky. A fire engine's ladder stretches up so very high. Sometimes there's a platform right up at the top. It waits beside the window, then into it you hop. Back inside the station, the crew can take a break, but the fire engine's ready and it's waiting wide awake. And here you can see the fire engine parts. See the helmet, which is a hard hat that protects the firefighter's head. You see the siren, which makes a lot of noise to tell people to move out of the way and let the engines pass. You see the water tank, which is inside the middle of the fire engine and holds water to fight the fire. Some fire engines also carry foam. See the fireproof pants and jackets, which are made from special materials that don't burn easily and protect firefighters from the fire. You can see the masks and tanks. We cannot breathe in smoky air, so firefighters carry clean air in tanks on their backs. The air flows into their masks. You also see the pump, which sucks out water from the tank and pushes it through huge hoses. The pump can also get water from a hydrant attached to underground pipes. You can see that here. And that is the end. Hope you guys enjoyed this and have a good one.